Warrior Gamer.
What's up guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are at Loon Lake. Woo! And this is the awesome place, and we are gonna go swim into the water. Guys, if you look back, look at the river. It's delicious swimming. Okay guys, so we're gonna get ready. We do have a boat. And do you know, guys, we're gonna stay here this how much days? Yeah, 10 days. That's incredible. But the sad thing is, Mom is not with us. But this is awesome place. I know. Look at it. So guys, we are gonna go. We are making our boat ready. If you notice right there, we haven't used it yet. Hey guys, can you follow me? Guys, in all the water. Guys, see that back head right there? That's a turtle. That's a legit turtle. Yeah. See guys, it's swimming. Here, I'm gonna go make it come to us. Go guys. Oh. Guys, can you help me? I'm scared. Thank you. Turtle, come here. Oh, I'm going through the water. Hello. My fish warm. Come here. Turtle, come here. Okay, guys, that's a turtle right there. Turtle, what's up? Dude, Guys, that's a turtle right there. That's a turtle. Touch it. Oh, come back. Swim to the water. I want to touch you. No, come back. Oh, guys, that was a turtle right there. Now, guys, let's go back up. And guys, whoa. Guys, this is my free movement. Guys, come on. Let's go. Guys, here's the boat. Wait, look first. You guys, first, unfold it. Let's unfold it first. Guys, move! Guys, can you move, please? Can we get this 300 likes on this video? Please. I'm going to open it. No. I'm going to open a new channel, a new one. It's going to be so awesome. Okay, guys, so we have to start blowing around here. Okay, guys, so I just finished the part where you sit on, and I'm kind of starting the second part. There's like the outline protects you to be inside. Guys, and you're going to be interested. Why do I have a loaf of bread? Well, that's your question, aren't you? Well, we are going to be feeding a turtle. Guys, so Matthew is right there. Say hi. Hi, I'm over here with bread. Guys, so we are gonna feed a turtle with bread, and bread is the thing. So guys, now I'm gonna just wait. I need to do my bread. Guys, so we're gonna start the second part. Let's go, baby. A lot of work. Guys, this is a lot of work. Oh my god, this is a bunch of work, guys. It's legit.